What's up YouTube, and welcome back to AV Moto. In today's video, I'm going to be finishing up this 2005 Yz85 that I picked up for $500. So with that being said, let's get right into the video. So as I stated in the previous video, I ordered some new plastics. Those finally arrived, so we're going to put those on. I had ordered some new grips as well, and those finally came in, so we're going to put those on. Alright, I threw the gas tank and the seat on to kind of give y'all like a before. Here's a before of the other side. All right, now I got all the old plastics off. Now let's go ahead and start putting the new ones on. All right, let's go ahead and install it. All right, now I'm done with the front end. Got the front fender, front number plate, and the gas tank plastic. It's looking better already. Now let's go ahead and put the rear fender and the side plastics on. All right, now I got all the plastics on. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the seat on. All right, this is what it looks like with the UFO Restyle Plastics. Now let me go ahead and install the grips to tie the look all together. All right, here we have some Pro Taper grips. All right, here's the finished product. In my opinion, it came out really good. Here's the other side of the bike. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, hit that thumbs up button. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you on the next one.